Hi guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from Badillo.com and welcome to another Etsy video. On today's video, I'm gonna go over briefly 40 passive income products to sell on Etsy in 2019. If this is something that you have been thinking about doing for 2019, passively possibly open an Etsy shop where you sell any sort of digital print to make passive income, then this is the video for you. Make sure you stay all the way to the end. It's going to be a short video. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel. So I'm super excited to talk about passive income. And I wanted to come up with a list of 40 ways that you could sell products on Etsy and make a living with passive income. Or maybe you already have a regular store, Etsy shop, where you sell tangible items. So this will be an additional shop where you make passive income with. So let's get started by defining what is passive income. And passive income, to make the answer as simple as possible, is earned from something you put a lot of work up front into, then you leave alone and you start generating income without doing additional work. Now, mind you, I do have 6 passive income stores, and 2 of them I actually do have some items in the shop where I have to pre it's almost like a pre-made template where I have to edit and put people's names on it because I sell wedding signs and I sell like invites. But keep in mind that those usually take me within minutes to complete. So I'm not, doing this for hours and then I have to ship it and then I have to, count, my labor time and my time. Even though I still do, it's just within minutes I'm done. So they give me the information, I plug it in, I send them approve, they approve it, and then it's done. And no, sometimes I could get an order out within 10 minutes of them ordering. So it's very, very minimal work once you already created that particular product or service. Um, and I have been obsessed with passive income since I started blogging back in 2009. So there's a lot of ways that you can make passive income. One of the ways that I started making passive income is through my blog. I was making money from ads that showed up on my blog. And I remember waking up one morning to 20 cents, right? A whopping 20 cents. And I was super excited at the idea of making money even while sleeping. So there's many, many different ways to make passive income on Etsy and outside of Etsy. But today we're just going to discuss things that you could sell on Etsy that you can make passive income from. So to kind of give you a little background on my Etsy journey, I started my journey on Etsy in 2016. And as a blogger, a freelancer, affiliate marketer, I didn't want to start a store where it would consume all of my energy. And originally, I started the store as a case study for my blog. So I decided the best route to do it was to sell printables. And as a side hustle, my first year, I made over 20,000 on Etsy. And like I said earlier, I do have some items that are custom designs, but I have it set up that all I do is edit the names or edit the information and it's completed within minutes. And it has been worth it. In 2018, I just finished with a little bit over 87,000 and like $300 of passive income as a side hustle. That doesn't include every other side hustle I do online with affiliate marketing, doesn't count my freelance, doesn't count my regular business, and I have a full-time job as well. So as you can see, this is my side hustle. So what can you sell, right? As a passive income, right? What are things that you could do? So I'm gonna go over 40 passive income products that you could sell on Etsy for 2019. If you want the complete list, you could go to my blog. I will leave a link below this video where you could click and kind of see all 40. And I also did like a little PDF that you could download in case you want to download a copy of it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to briefly talk about them. There's so many. I'm sure that there's a lot more that I didn't put in the list. But these are the most common ones on Etsy. So you could do organization printables, which is like any type of PDF file that you could do that's like for organization. You could teach people how to organize a closet or how to organize your kitchen or how to organize your food or whatever it is. But anything with organization on it is very, very big on Etsy. Stickers are really big on Etsy. Branding is very big. A lot of people go there to buy social media templates. They go there to buy branding, so like logos and colors to make their website cohesive. A lot of people go in there and buy stuff for YouTube. They even buy Etsy banners. So if you know how to create graphic design and you know how to brand, do like business stuff that business owners would need, this is the place to be. Fonts is another great revenue. You make life forever. Prints, and what I mean by print is any type of print. It could be maybe you sell prints with quotes. Maybe you sell Bible verses prints or inspirational prints. So any sort of print of that sort you could sell. Ebooks. You could do courses. You could do printable wall art. You could do labels, crochet patterns, knitting patterns, branding kits, pre-made logos, invitations, stock photos, mock-ups, banners, printable flashcards for kids, SVGs, printable planners again, um, resumes, marketing material, right? So if you know how to do, let's say you do work for marketing and you know how to find your target audience, you could create a PDF file where people will buy that from you to kind of learn how to do that, how to target their audience. Wedding signs, party signs, greeting cards, coloring pages, and you get the idea. Party decorations, vector designs, photography, fitness tracker, party props, wine labels, etc. So anything that you could pretty much, one, it has to be handmade, and that you could pretty much, upload into the Etsy system, and it would be instant download, or maybe they buy a digital download that you have to edit and sell, is a passive income. Now, in my opinion, the ones that I prefer the most are the ones that I do all the work up front, upload it, and then I don't have to do anything else. I have one store like that, that 99% of the items, I never have to do any work. Now, I still have to go back and do customer service. I still have to go back and add new listings. I still have to update my SEO every 3 months and see what listings are the bottom listings, which are my popular listings, and, create strategies of what I'm going to do, what new products I'm going to add. All that still stays in place. But what's nice about it is that it's passive income. And if I want to take a week and say I'm not going to do nothing this week, I could do that. Versus when you sell tangible items, you can't say this week I'm just going to, take a break. Because if you have sales, you have to ship it, you have to create the product, and you have to do everything else that comes with it. So that's the reason why passive income is very, very popular. So if you are thinking of 2019 selling passive income, I highly recommend it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I do plan to add additional videos about passive income and things that you could do and how to create them, etc. So I think those kind of videos will help you hone and start building a skill, or maybe you already know this, but you just have to do it, right? So just depending on where you're at. And make sure that you also, when you pick something, that you pick something that you really enjoy doing or that you don't mind learning, because if you're not passionate about it, it does require a little bit of work from the beginning. So it's gonna cost you to either say, okay, I love this, so I'm gonna continue, or you're gonna say, I don't want to do this no more, and then it's gonna, that little passion is gonna dry out because you really weren't that excited about it in the beginning, or maybe I didn't mean to say passion, but maybe you weren't passionate enough, right, about it. So make sure that you pick something that you are definitely gonna enjoy and you're gonna stick with it. So guys, I'm trying to create a sense of community, so make sure that you leave a comment below. Let me know of any passive incomes that you already, make on Etsy, or if you're planning to start a passive income. If you have any questions, leave them below and I will do my very best to answer them to my best way. So thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a wonderful night.